there's cost savings to be had. Most of the cost savings, it gets better with the larger systems over what you would have, but you can expect to see somewhere between like a 30 and 60% reduction, averaging around 45-ish% in cost savings over doing this in the cloud. And there are lots of all of the graphics that I have. There's certain things like when you're talking about running a Llama 3.3 70 billion model full bore for X amount of time, right? These are some of the assumptions that we can make. But when you go apples to apples for what it would cost to run these models against this hardware in the cloud versus doing it with us, it always works out in our favor. It works out most in our favor when it's something that you manage inside of your own data center. If you want to do it with like co-location, right? Because we have co-location partners. You can do it there. It adds about a 10% overhead, but there's still lots of cost savings to be had there. And some of the places of savings that like you might not see, especially if you're doing this against like, let's talk, you're going to build it, DIY it, and do it yourself. You have to have the teams and the resources to be able to do all of this stuff, right? So from the infrastructure layer all the way to the people who are going to install, configure all the software, you've got to have teams to support each piece of that stack. Can get you away from all that and get you away from the development time that it takes to do all of that.